Link, you can click that Western Union send and track money online. Now I'm going to set up the sign up for the Western Union. Sign up, you can see that, click on, then create your profile. Okay, enter your email, create your password. Okay, you enter your email address and a password, click register. Okay, next page you're getting like that. Enter your PIN number. To protect your profile, we send a 4-digit PIN, your email address, verify your email address. This PIN will remain valid for the next 72 hours. They're sending a 4-digit PIN number, then we have to enter right here. If you haven't received that, you have to check your spam folder, then you can get the PIN number. Okay, I'm going to my email and get the PIN number to enter right here. Guys, after enter that 4-digit PIN number, I get in that page. Complete your profile. We are required to collect additional information. Please enter your name exactly as it appears on your government issue ID. First name, middle name, surname, last name, mobile number, then your date of birth, your home address and postal code, city, state, then continue. Okay, after enter that name and address, I get in this page. You can see that protect yourself from fraud. Online use Western Union, send money to friend and family. Believe that you are the victim of the fraud, call Western Union fraud hotline. You can see that hotline, then accept. Okay, after accept, you get in page like that. So receiver first name, receiver last name, street address, address line, city, state, pin code, email address, phone number, receiver's bank account information. Okay, account number, bank name, account number, re-enter account number, purpose for transfer. Then you can select which one, family, maintenance, savings, credit, NRE account, and then you can continue. So I put the example like that to send $1. So I know you send more than $1, then you can see that transfer for anywhere in the world. So if you send any country for receiver, then you can transfer that chart. You can get you can figure out how much you send him money, then how much receiver get that details. All right, that's the detail. Then you can continue. Alright guys, now I'm ready to transfer money to another country. So this is a brand new account. Congratulations, your first transfer fee is on us. Continue sending to secure your zero transfer fee now. Normally you can scroll down or you can type in your country, bank account, and transfer credit card, debit card or bank account. Right now, so I have a bank account, her bank account, then I go to transfer bank account, click again, then continue. Most of our transfer are delivered to 0 to 1 business days. Continue. You can see summary exchange rate, $1 361.97 Sri Lankan rupees. Okay, everything clear. Okay, you have to fill up information, receiver first name, receiver last name, street address, city, email, phone number, receiver bank account information. Then you can continue. Guys, now I put all the information about the bank details. Then I have to pay with my bank. Alright, then I'm going to put my bank details over here and agree and sign in. Okay, this final part, then you can continue to transfer money in another country.